Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot save image, no internet connection. So guys, if you are trying to save some images on your browser but you are facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply drag down your control center and you have to simply turn on flight mode for 30 seconds and after this turn it off. So I do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply reset the network settings of your device for one time. So I simply reset network settings of your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Google support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.